So, Gangeshri, we are good to start.
I think Srilekha Gangeshri will rejoin again. She told.
Okay. Yeah.
Hi, Srilekha. Hi.
Yeah, hi, Gangeshri.
Hi. So I think we'll wait. Can we wait for a few more minutes? I think we'll need the others to join.
Can wait.
So yeah. Maybe you can give a small intro on this, Srilekha, then we can take it forward. So from DC Live, you can give a small intro on this.
Okay, you want me to start, Gangeshri?
Yeah, you can give a small intro, then I will also add to your words. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, from today, the chai break session, along with the jury is going to happen. It starts from today. So, the top shortlisted 39 is going to present. So, we have prepared the slot also, and we have shared in DC Live as well as in the local community group and Slack everywhere. So, apart from the participants and jury, people's limits of times are available, and you're comfortable to listen and watch out what are the ideas are presented. You'll be most welcome. We'll be happy. And share your comment with us and as well as in the DC Live chat box. So that's it from my side. All the best to all the team. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Srilekha. Yeah, so as she mentioned, so this is the final demo week, which we have all been waiting for. So we have named it the final pitch. So we have multiple slots every day. So we have 4 slots every day in DC Live. So thank you, DC Live, for having Team Vikram's chai break, and thank you so much. And I request all the crewmates from every center to join in, support your friends when they showcase their project and all that. So we also have jury members who have joined us in the call. So they will also be there. So they will also simultaneously grade the presentations and all that. So every team is given a 15-minute interval time limit to share their presentation. So they can please. I request all the teams to stick to their timeline because we have other teams waiting as well. So once the 15 minutes is done, the jury will then ask their questions and all that. And then we will also have members from DC to question you guys as well. So all the best to all the teams and hope we have a wonderful week. So for now, I think today we have jury with us. So we have Ravi is here, so Srilekha is here. So we do have 2 of the jury members, so they will also be helping us in the evaluations and all that. One kind request to the jury members. So we have shared you the grading sheet via email. So kindly make a copy of the grading sheet. I can also share it in Slack if you guys need. So kindly make a copy. Please do not edit the original sheet because it is shared by all the members of the jury. So yeah, thanks a lot. So first, I think the first team is one second. Srinidhi, it's someone from your team, right?
Yeah, Gangeshri.
Future Minds.
Future Minds, yeah.
Yeah, CBHT006, Future Minds. So the CBHT06 is the unique code that we are given for for every single team. So this has been used for shortlisting ideas previously, just to ensure anonymity and all that. So now, off to Future Minds. You guys can take over.
Yeah, sure, Gangeshri. Thanks for this. So good afternoon, everyone. So from Zomato, I think around 10 teams has been shortlisted for the hackathon. So I'm happy to share that from my team, 10 teams has been selected. So out of which we are going to present now the first idea, which has been selected. The team name is Future Mind. So we keep it in mind as since it is an AI, so we have named it as Future Mind. And we have 4 people in this team. The captainship is done by Kavya Kanchan, and the team members are Anita, Kalavati, and myself. So we have built a tool called Menu Converter Zomato. So this is basically like currently for updating the menus, like individuals will be updating it manually, like they need to go through the PDFs, PNGs or Excel files, and they need to update it manually, the item name, descriptions, price, and everything they need to update it manually. What happens is when we are working on manual data entry, like data entry will be slow and there is a possibility of errors, and it will create a backlog because it will take more time to update it manually. So what we have thought of, like while we have the hackathon is presented, so we thought of having the why we cannot do some automation and create it an OCR kind of a thing. So we have done that, and we have created a tool where we will be uploading the files and we will be able to get the OCR files. So this is the solution we have identified now, and team will go to the presentation. So Kavya Kanchan, so over to you. So if you can present the screen. So this is the tool what we have built for Zomato menu builder. The name is called as Zomato Menu Egg, where we can instantly convert any menu or image into a structured data, like it will be converted as a OCR. So here we have one option as upload menu, where we can upload the PDF, PNG, and JPG files, and one more options we have given as image to text, where an image is converted into a text where people can easily copy and paste the items and price details or descriptions. So let's go with the demo for this. Kavya, just upload the menu. So we will upload the menu using this option, PDF, PNG, or JPEG, where we'll be able to upload, and after that we need to select the menu types. If it is Indian, we need to select it as Indian, or if it is a Chinese, we can select it as a Chinese, Mexican, desserts, and other something like that. And after that we need to select the pricing model. So if it is INR rupees, we will select it as INR and just click on extract menu data. So within fractions of seconds, we will be able to get the OCR files using this menu tool, actually, because usually while typing it will take some time. I think Kavya, can you try one more video? So some error came in between, so because of which it is not extracted previously. So here you can see all the items and the category details, prices has been shown here properly. And we can download the CSV using that download CSV option, and team can use that downloaded CSV to update it in the menu tool dashboard. So this is the one example what we have done. And Kavya, if you can showcase that text to image to text option. Yeah, just click on image to text. Yeah, here also we can upload the PNG and JPG files and extract text from image. Kavya, just upload one image. Yeah, when we click on extracting text. So this is how the item price will look like, and we can copy paste it and use it for the Zomato dashboard. So here we will be getting all the details properly. This will be beneficial for the resources to use, because currently everything is done manually. So if we start using this, it will be a lot more tax saving for the resources, their time, and we can produce more number of restaurants on a daily basis. So this is the Zomato menu converter OCR what we have done from Future Minds. Thank you. Thanks, Kavya.
Thank you, Srinidhi. That was a wonderful presentation. So, jury members, if you guys have any questions or others from DC Live, if you have, you can ask the team. So, the team number is, I've put it in the chat box, it's CBH-T006.
So, Srinidhi, I just had a couple of questions.
Yes.
So, who created this OCR? Was it entirely done in-house?
Yes, it is done by in-house only. The team, Future Minds team, has created this using the tool actually. Firebase Studio.
Firebase
Studio.
Okay. But how many testings have you done using this tool?
We have done more than 10 testings for this because usually it was not giving the proper results actually. So we have changed the comments. So team is coming to me saying it is not working, what we can do. So we have changed our prototype and guiding the AI so that it helped us to make this possible.
Okay. So what are the benefits or gains you're seeing through use of this particular tool? How is it helping you?
See, currently individuals are making typing each and individual menu. So currently it is taking on an average 1.5 hours to build a restaurant menu. Okay. But if we start using this, it will save at least 30 minutes of a POC where we cannot need to type the menus manually. We can create the OCR and we can save 30 minutes of the time for the team.
So this is different from what that NeoFlow tool is developed, right?
NeoFlow tool is different. That is different. That is used for the allocation of the IDs. Yeah.
Is that better than this or is this better than that?
Everything is same as per me. Because that is helpful for the time allocation. Okay, like ID assignation and all, and calculation of TAT, APT, idle time. That is created for that purpose. But this is created for the purpose of menu building actually.
Okay. So these are two different activities, is it?
Two different activities, right?
And have you guys started using this or you're yet to use it?
So it is yet to use because we have not done the live because we need Vikram team support for the backend data. Okay. So once it is like everything is sorted and we will be able to go live immediately because everything is updated now. Just we need to go live. That is pending because hosting, which cannot be done from our end. Actually, we have done the hosting, but still there are few more cases that need help from Vikram team to do that.
Understood. So just another quick question. So we'll never know how the tool is going to perform or react or respond post to start using it in the live environment, right?
Right.
Do you anticipate that the outcome will change? I don't know, Gangastri, because for us to be able to really assess the utility of the tool, it needs to be in operational and functional condition in the real world environment, right?
Correct, definitely.
Otherwise, how do we even measure the impact at all? Okay. Let's say that we give a 5 rating to this team right now. But then once you guys support the Zomato team to get this rolling on the floor, what if it doesn't work? Then this entire activity becomes very futile.
Correct. So I was actually trying to ask Srinidhi the same question. Can you share any sample? I mean, I didn't get to look at the PNG that she just uploaded.
I have already shared the PNG actually.
No. In here now for the presentation, so that we have just to see.
Sure.
And I would also like to see the PDF which was uploaded.
So
sure.
Just for the sake of how accurate is it? So sometimes there might be you might get scanned menus too, right? Did you guys check the accuracy for that?
I think for the scanned menus, we have not checked it. We have checked it for the PNG, like PDFs, PNG and JPG files.
Okay.
So, Kavya, can you please show that menu? Open that menu and show it. Or let me see if I have some menus.
Sure. And also, if it is possible, can you just share the prompt that you guys give for Gemini? You are using Gemini, right?
Gemini, Firebase, yeah. We can share that prompt. No
sure, yeah.
So, but see, on the face of it, 33% saving in time is a huge win. Definitely no doubt about it. I think it's a great success. But conceptually, I think you guys have nailed it. But then, unless and until we don't really test it and put it to use in an extensive manner, we will not know the real benefit of integrating this tool, right? I think what we should do is to take support from Project Vikram's team, get this rolling, and deploy it on the ground. I mean, forget about chai break contest, but I think because we'll have a bigger case to go back to Zomato, right?
Right.
So that's where it is. But now quite impressive, yeah.
Thank you, sir. So I will just present one. Let me see,
Sure.
So this is the PDF. This is the actually PDF menu. So let's upload it and see how it works.
Okay.
So data has been extracted properly. You can see Puro all is changed. And description is also coming properly. Whatever the description is mentioned, it is coming properly like this. So if it is a 2 price also, it is reflecting here properly. If it is a 3 price. So let me try one image PNG. So this is the one image. I will try it here. Moong dal khichdi 140 rupees. Moong dal khichdi 140 rupees. It's coming like this. Moong dal vegetable khichdi 160 rupees. Moong dal vegetable khichdi 160 rupees. Tuwar dal khichdi 140 rupees. So accuracy, the tested are fine as per now. Old copy 100 rupees. There are no pricing mistakes as well. So should I present anything else or is this okay?
So yeah, it was really nice, Srinidhi. But yeah, I think your project should, I mean, you guys should still test it out for scanned menus and all that. You guys will receive that as well, right? So you might have to test it for that. Yeah, but as of the tool, it's really nice. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
So anybody else have any questions for the team? So yeah, I think then so thank you, Srinidhi. Thank you for your wonderful presentation, and thank you, Team Future Minds. Thanks a lot. You guys did a great job. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, team.
So maybe now let's get the next team. So we have Vinuta's team. So it's CBH-P007 AI Frontier. So yeah, Vinuta, over to you.
Yes. Thanks, Gangashri. And hi, Sri Lekha.
Yeah, hi, Vinuta.
Yeah, why are you sounding so dull?
No. Today my laptop charger has given a job to me. So my laptop is not getting charged. I'm trying to manage with the mobile. So that's why here and there I'm just trying to.
We cannot have this radio jokers like today,
usually I don't have. So today there's something, a fluctuation in my home, like current fluctuation problem.
Okay.
So that's why. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, welcome all. Good morning to all. So I'm representing a team. We named a team as AI Frontier. So we are providing a solution for employee onboarding and directory. So currently in the organization, we see that lot of employee onboarding happens manually. and there are manually sent emails and number of new joiners. They don't know where to log in, where they can see the details of their next application which they need to use in the organization. So where there is a confusion, ambiguity where new joiners are facing, so we are coming up with a solution to solve that problem. And in my team I have Jaisurya and Revati, so who have worked on this problem statement and come up with a solution. So now I'll give the chance to my team to, they can present, they can go through the problem statement and also which AI tools we used to solve the problems. And I'll be here in the call. Yeah. Jaisurya, can you take over and present your screen?
Yeah, sure, Vanantha. Yeah. Hi team. Good afternoon to you. And our team name is AI Frontier, and we have developed a smart slot employee onboarding and employee directory. As Vinitha said, actually, currently the employee onboarding process in our company is manual. We'll be sending the emails and all the portals login creds to the employee manually. And additionally, there is no centralized platform that allows employee to access other employees' details like email address, phone numbers to contact them. So we have developed AI-powered solution for this. This will automate the onboarding and with the AI-powered forms and workflows. This has been completely developed for the HR and the employee. Once the HR submit the form, the welcome email to the employee who joined, the welcome email will be sending to the personal mail ID, and HRMS login setup, details login portal creds, and IT support access info and setups, and also it will schedule a induction call. These all details will be shared to the employee official mail ID. Yeah. For developing this, we have used ChatGPT, and for front end and back end, we have used Firebase. And for sending the emails and scheduling the call, we have used Makeflow. Yeah. And this will save HR time and reduce the manual workload. And the complete workflow will be explained by my teammate, Revati. Yeah. Revati, over to you. You can explain the complete workflow.
Yeah, sure. Let me share my screen. Here is Revati. Yeah, this is our application. We built using this Test Case Studio. Then backend we are using
Firebase Studio.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Firebase Studio. Then backend you are using Firestore database. Then email integration, email triggering, we are using the Makeflow. So this is our main application. Here, this is our HR login portal. Here we are not using any registered form because for the security purpose, this one, the employee who are all in a basic group can access this application. So we are avoiding registering the module we not providing here. Instead of that, in the Firestore database, in the authentication part, we added the, using the add user functionality, we can add the HR emails and password. Those who are added in the authentication part, they can go register in this application. So already I have the access for myself, Revati at QAnCloud. I already registered. I added my user ID and password also. I'm now going to act as a HR. So in the HR, I'm going to provide my email ID and password, which is already set up in the Firestore database authentication part. So as soon as I enter, or as soon as I log in, we can see two modules. One is a new employee, another one is a view employees. So let me explain first the new employee, then I go to the view employees. So the new employee part, we have some mandatory fields. I just click on the submit record. The HR can know what are the mandatory fields. As soon as the HR submit all the mandatory fields, they have to click submit button, submit record. So let me complete the mandatory field first, then I go to the next step. Can I give it to your email ID, Vinita, or someone else I can give to check?
You give it to Gangashri. Gangashri, can you give your ID? Or else I can, yeah, you can add
Yes, sir.
my ID. Vinuta@qn.com. Okay.
I'm just filling up the mandatory fields. This is a resume. I'm filling up this skill part. It's not mandatory. I'm just giving it. I'm selecting the date of joining, which is 27 August. I set used laptop, and we can choose anything, employee status, employee type. Okay. As soon as now I fill up all the mandatory fields, the HR need to click on the submit report. By clicking the single action, it will trigger two functionality. One is it will store whatever I created, the employee detail will be stored into the Firestore database. We already created employee hub database. Here we can add all the applications. We have added all the fields already. We have added in the Firestore database also. Here my employee hub details. This is my collections. Then we can go to the query builder. We can see whoever so far we have added, that this is all test data here will be stored. So as soon as I click on this submit button, Gangashri name will be added to this Firestore database. As well as the same time, when I'm clicking on when submitting the form, the make trigger flow also will trigger. We plan to trigger 4 emails and 1 induction schedule meeting. So first email, this is for welcome email. This welcome email are going to trigger to the personal email ID, which is given in the application. So here we have 2 email IDs. One is a personal email ID. Another one is a official email ID. So the official email ID information going to generate to the personal email ID first. So here we can, the email address, we have selected the personal email. Then depends on the concern employee name, it will be auto trigger. Also content also we have given here. Later once trigger the email, we will open and show you what are the content. This is the welcome to QN Cloud email. In this email, we will triggering the official email ID and the password also. This is the second email. This is for HRMS login portal. Here also we are generating the username and password. Then ask them to change the password as soon as they log in. Then this is the third Gmail node. This is for the DTouch portal login. We are providing the DTouch portal login using the username, password. We are providing as soon as also we are giving the information to change the password as soon as login also. Then some more. This is the fourth email, IT support access. Here, what general information we are providing, how to open the ticket, how to send to the IT person, like that, all the information we have given here. Then fourth is a induction call scheduling. So here we given the attendee's name as the employee official email ID, and we are generating some times also. So these 2 flows should be triggered as soon as I click on the submit record button. So I given all the mandatory fields. Now I'm going to click on this. Okay. As soon as I click on the submit record, it's showing the successful message, Gangashri has been created. So now I go to my Firestore. I'm just checking Gangashri name is added or not.
Can you search?
Yeah. We can search in the application itself.
There are 65. Go to next page.
Yeah. Yeah. Here Gangasri name is added with the official email ID vinitha@qiancloud.com. I given the personal email ID revati.ramesh@gmail.com. So the welcome to QionCloud email should be triggered to the personal email ID. I just go and check whether it is triggered or not. Yes, it's triggered. So hi Gangasri, welcome to QionCloud.com. Then joining date we have provided. Also the email address also we have provided vinitha@qiancloud.com and password. As soon as they receive the password, we ask them to change the one. So other 4 emails Vinitha should be received.
Okay, let me share my screen 1 second. Yeah, I'm presenting my screen. So I have received first email as HRMS login credential. Welcome to Desi Crew. Your HRMS login credential are as follows. So it is showing me HRMS portal, employee ID, username, and password. So 1 minute below, which was sent 1 minute ago. Then DTouch portal login. DTouch portal URL, username, password that is shared. Change this password as soon as possible. Then IT support access info. So we are providing the portal and the support email which they have to use for IT support. So these are all information provided here. IT support ticket portal, desicrew.freshservice.com tickets need. So there is a support email also which is provided. And next is invitation for induction call that is sent.
Yep.
So there they can discuss about the HR policies, benefits, tools, systems to access roles and responsibilities. Induction call is scheduled via this. So who is the organizer and the guest?
Yeah. Also check in the calendar itself.
Yeah.
It will be added in the calendar.
Yes, it is added. So this is the invitation to induction call at Gangasri. So best regards, HR team at Desi Crew. Any questions over here?
So once first, very great thought about this, Vinitha. So why DC Live is not added for triggering the mail? That was a missed question to create
Yes,
a credit.
yeah, actually, yes. We
so
thought about some.
I loved it idea. So definitely, yes, the basic things are 90% are covered in this when a new employee enter into the thing. Hats off to the thought. Great work, Revati and team. So.
And some more part is left, Srilekha. Let us cover that also. Actually, we are also facing one other issue as many of our remote, many of our working from office, it's hybrid mode. We don't get the contact numbers of everyone. But we know where is Srilekha, she's in DC Live, but I don't know her contact number. I don't know your email address. I cannot contact you. So we need a directory to search. Everybody needs a directory. All employees of Desi Crew can access this application too. It is also linked to this application. So we have solved 2 problems in one platform. So back to Revati, so she can share that too.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So maybe like official contact number and the email ID can also be plugged in, like maybe mobile number. If the people feel like mobile number cannot be shared, at least we should be able to communicate through the email ID at least.
Yes,
once they
email ID at least.
Get it and connect with them.
Yeah, some important person like IT people, we need, everybody needs their contact number, right? Sometimes our laptops get locked and we will not be able to access it. At that time, we can call them.
Yeah, great thought.
Yeah. So Revati is sharing her screen.
Yeah. Can you share see my screen?
Let's stop sharing.
Can you see my
Yes,
screen?
yes,
Yeah.
Revati. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So now, as soon as I have added this part, email triggered and it was stored in the database. So in the HR itself, HR want to see all the employee details. Nowadays, if HR want to see the details, we are sharing the Google Sheet to the employees, ask them to fill up. Then only now we are doing like that only. So instead of that, we are providing one View Employees button here. You click on the View Employee. Whatever the employee details added, we can see it. We can be minimal columns only we have added for the better UI. Just now I added Gangashri. I can search here. So in the View Employee module, we can see all the Gangashri details. Here, we are providing only a few columns. So we are providing link here. If you click on the link, you can see one employee card. So in this employee card, HR can see all those details. So far we have added all the information we have added. We can click, we can see it.
So the details such as date of joining, where is the location,
Yeah.
all those are there in this card. Yeah.
Then also we are here, we are providing some actions like edit option, delete option. If HR want to edit some details of any of the employee, they can click this edit button and they can change it, the details, and can see it. So I'm just changing maybe the phone number and just save it. So
So one quick question here. So I see
Yeah.
there's a suggest text box. So is that AI enabled, the suggest text box? So you did have skill set and all that. I did see a small button there, an AI button. So did you get, I mean, will it fill automatically, something
yes,
like that?
it based on the resume.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it
Based
will
on
pass
the-
your resume automatically, something like that.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
What we uploaded based on the resume, it will suggest.
Can you make sure, does that work now or?
Because I added the dummy resume only.
Okay, okay.
Just a link only. That's why it's not. If I added the complete resume, it will do that.
It will work. Okay,
Yeah.
got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Here we
are
have
using
one.
Gemini for that as well.
Yes.
Gemini. Okay.
Here we have the delete button. If any of the employee HR don't want maybe resigned, we can just delete it. Yeah.
So we can keep it up to date, add and delete and edit.
Edit.
And the previous employees who are there, their database can be added using bulk upload feature. All the center HRs can do this. So that is going to help HR department completely to, rather than entering each one's detail one by one into the system, that they can upload it in a bulk. So this feature is also provided.
Then we have a download template. So you click on the download template, it will open on an Excel file. So HR has to fill up all those details if they want to do the bulk upload. Then after that, they have to choose, then upload the file. So this is the new employee part. So I'm just logging out to show the other module, which is in the view all employee. Here, only all the employees can see the other employee details here with the read-only format. Here also, we are giving the same. If I go to check here, I can check recently added the Gangashri name is present here. So I click on the link, they can see the employee details in the single card. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Revati. Yeah.
Okay, so good, great. I think it is definitely going to help the HR team But Vinita, can we integrate this with the HRMS?
Yeah, we can do it. Actually,
we've attempted it.
What do you mean that? I didn't get
We
you.
attempted to integrate it with HRMS, or is that?
No, we have not tried it. We have not tried to integrate it with HRMS. We can do that. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a good thing because it will save a lot of time for the HR.
Yeah.
And it will also give a better experience to the new joiners more than anything else.
Yes, actually, whenever the new joiners join, right, they don't know from where to travel, which IT support, whom they can contact. They might be shy at that time to asking all the questions. So we are trying to solve those problems, and also a directory where everybody can find each other's. So that is going to solve this problem.
Sure.
So HRMS, yes, we can integrate. And as you have seen, we have not used many UI stuff here. It is just officially like whatever is there, required parts, required functionalities we have implemented. More we can do. Integrate with HRMS, punch in, punch out, leave management system, that can be integrated in this. Yeah.
Okay.
Any other questions from any listeners as well? So Vinita, I think it's a great project. It looks really good. The UI is nice. Everything is really nice. The way you integrated Make as well. So you guys played with two or more tools and brought in a solution, which is really nice. So yeah, the Revati and her team, it's amazing. Good job, guys. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
So if you guys could, improve it, maybe if the Gemini could directly pass your resume and all that, it would really be great. The next step. Yeah. That will definitely be great. Yeah.
But I thought you guys are doing something right. Industry, you and Vaidis were working on it long back.
Yes, we are also working on that. Yeah. Yeah. So really nice. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
So if it could auto-fill the field, so rather than manually filling it, so if we could work on that, it would definitely be really amazing. Yeah.
Yeah, we can pull it from the resume itself, right? The keywords, yes, that we can do. Yes.
Yeah.
So some part we have provided the solution right now, like bulk upload, all the HR from all the centers, they can do bulk upload, and this will be useful. That's what the plan is. We can go ahead and do that as well.
Just a thought for expansion. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. We can enhance the tool. Yes.
So other than that, it's really very nice. Yeah. So I hope it will save lots of time for the HR team doing this. And even, for Vikram, we have been sending out bulk emails and all that. It would definitely be helpful. Yeah.
And also we are struggling with getting the employee numbers, contact numbers and email address. That is also will be solved. That problem will also be solved.
Correct. Yeah. Maybe you can also add the Slack ID as well for people who are having
Yes. We should make Slack compulsory now because many are looking for the WhatsApp for the contact number, but not everybody is adding their names there. So sometimes I don't know which is your number. I kept on contacting like for something for the AI. That's one thing. But I know Srinidhi, maybe I don't have her contact number. Maybe that is difficult to search her number as well.
Got it.
Sometimes that is helpful with this directory.
Definitely. I struggled a lot during the chai break sessions where I had to go pick the numbers, get Lega's help and all that. Yeah. If there's a centralized system, definitely it will be helpful.
Yes, of course. That is what we think that is missing. So we wanted that to be solved with this tool. So it's all, let's make it a better tool. Yes.
Definitely. So, thank you so much, Vinita. Any other questions to the team, guys?
One last question, Vinita. So this is the first leg or the first part of it, right? So what happens after you integrate this? Is there further scope to expand the reach of the tool to any other activities in HR?
So we got here in this call, we got one enhancement, resume to be directly uploaded. Whoever is selected as a DC crew employee, their resume will be uploaded and everything, the keywords from there, the first name, last name, that will be auto-filled. We can do that. And one more, we can integrate this one with HRMS.
Okay. Cool.
That is there. So it will cover the employee onboarding and directory part.
onboarding and also exit. Maybe we should also consider
Yes,
it.
exit. Yes, exit is also there. Whenever HR deletes the employee data, it will be deleted, exited.
Right.
Yes. Editing is also there. Yeah.
Right.
Vinita, it can be filterized according to the center-wise and process-wise also, right? In this field.
Yes, yes, there is a filter for that, for which we can search Kapu Center employee details. Like that we can search. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, Vinita.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Srilekha, I think that's it from these two teams.
Okay.
So yeah, thank you, jury members. Thank you, Ravi. Thank you, Srilekha, for your time and support. So yeah, so I think the next session begins at 1:30. So yeah, guys, please do join again at 1:30 and then support your friends and all that. Yeah, thank you so much.
Sure.
Thank you, Priyashni. Thank you so much. Thank you all.
Thank you all.
Thank you, Srilekha. Thank you all.